The Bad Family, it's your boy Slick Naveen. I'm here with the lovely Rainy Pooh and Halo. I'm sorry? I gotta get some straightening. Okay, I'm sorry. With the lovely Ballerina Rain and Halo, who's still saying cheese for the thumbnail. If you're new, BAD stands for Bully a Dream, cause every dream getting bullied, yo. Now before we get into the video, that's mine. Before we get into the video, I just want to give a big shout out to the sponsors today, HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a weekly meal delivery subscription service that offers super yummy recipes at the click of a button. So I'm gonna make one of these meals while I tell you a little bit about them. I'll be making the creamy lemon spinach ricotta ravioli. So, for busy entrepreneurs, stay-at-home moms, and everything in between, HelloFresh boasts a delicious assortment of super affordable chef-curated meals while enjoying ingredients straight from the farm to your plate. We know from personal experience that HelloFresh has helped remove the hassle of trying to plan what we're eating all the time and allow us to get dinner on the table in just 20 minutes, thus saving time and doing it at a fraction of the cost of traditional grocery store shopping. For convenience, you can also easily change your delivery days or food preferences and skip a week whenever you need. Also, their pre-portioned meals help reduce food waste and create less prep work. And now HelloFresh is extending a super deal just for you guys. All you gotta do is go to HelloFresh.com and use the code BADFAM10 to get 10 free meals across 4 boxes. Again, go to HelloFresh.com and use code BADFAM10 to get 10 free meals, including free shipping. Looks yummy, right? Let's taste it. Here's Halo's seafood boil. Technically, this will be her first seafood boil because she didn't eat the last. She wouldn't even try it or whatever. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and eat. We got potatoes, king crab, corn, eggs, and then Rain has a peanut butter pancake sandwich that's got, what's the stuff called on top of it? Whatever, I'm going to eat. I'm hungry. Oh, yeah, who's going to say the rest? Anybody say the grace? Who's going to say the grace?
You, Daddy.
Me? Thank you for the food. We ask to be good to us for us in your name. We pray. Amen. Okay. It's hot.
I am.
Mommy is so good with plating. So good I can't get to the food. Is it good, Mama? Is it good?
Yeah, this is good.
She eating.
This is good.
Ugh. Huh? I'm sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get this thing cut open. These
you don't have to say Daddy.
Where you get that lip gloss from again?
No, make cooking.
Right, chew your food first.
Sorry. You all right? I'm sorry. God.
So I got more lip gloss than just one. Because I got 2.
I'm sorry, y'all. Once I
and
get this out,
3.
then we'll be able to.
And then 4. And then 5. And it goes everywhere.
Okay.
Blowing in my face.
That's that.
Curling in a hedgehog or something that it is. Because mine died. But it's not working. The hedgehog's not working.
The hedgehog?
Mine's not working.
Oh, okay. My arm's
So
tired
now I'm going to have to use more hedgehog.
Now, oh man, this about to be our little play. Here we go. Ooh. You all right? Onions.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Why would you think I'm not all right? What you wiping, baby? You ain't wiping nothing.
No. I told you she was not wiping nothing. We drop it and rip it.
Yes.
So Daddy,
Yes, Daddy.
I pretend like I have powers.
Why?
And they pretend like bad guys are coming and like stuck in the trouble.
Why?
Look at the car.
Why you pretend?
Because I like to do that. And it makes me giggle. Giggle means laugh.
But you got powers for real.
Well, they could pretend.
You finna eat some crab, baby? You eat you some crab? She got some crab in her mouth already. I missed it. Is it good?
You like it?
She said, I ain't trying to talk with my food in my mouth.
Oh.
Hmm?
She didn't want to talk with her food in her mouth. Like Mommy told me.
Look at your water, Mama. Mm. How your food, baby? Yeah. It's good. You can have some of these potatoes if you want to, too. But you can focus on your food for now.
Mommy? Mommy?
Chew your food first. Don't drink with food in your mouth, Mama.
She told you.
Hands are pretty.
Mm-hmm. Granny Pooh, you want to show them your tattoo?
Yeah, we want tattoo. And you got one on my foot. It's too hard to do that.
Okay, let's keep the feet out the table, off the table. Why you got a foot tattoo?
I told Mommy because I like to do that like Mommy.
Oh, you wanted one like Mommy?
Yeah. And that's what she did on my tattoo.
I guess now everybody know you got a foot tattoo.
I always sound weird.
You always sound weird?
Yeah, because I go like,
Well, where you get that from?
It's like when I eat food, it like goes like, but I need to keep eating so I can make noise. Actually,
Explain what you're talking about.
I don't. Every time me and Ray are sitting down eating over here,
Okay.
I sound weird like an animal crotch.
Like a animal what?
An animal crotch. Whoa!
Say it one more time. An animal what?
An animal crotch.
Quatch? Oh, a quatch. That's much different than a crotch, right? Okay. Could you explain for me what a quatch is? You can't?
I know what I
Just chew that first. We'll talk in a second. Because you sound like you stuffing paper towels in your mouth.
I like mouth crab.
Yes. No, it's not egg.
Give me one, Daddy.
She got a mouthful of food.
I heard good
who?
don't.
You may have anything you see, including me. Huh?
I think you don't want it no more.
All right, y'all. We're going to go ahead and call this one. Yeah, we are. I was like, that's going to be a wrap for this one. Yep. We're going to catch y'all in the next one. Love y'all. See y'all later. Follow me on TikTok.
We're not done yet.
Peace.
Said I'm the milk, you the cookies. My two shoes looking goody. It's not a vibe, it's a boogie. For all the baddies and bullies, yeah. Picture you rolling with me. It's the year of the rookie. I got the team on the hoodie. And every dream getting